Hotter in Hell 100 Report on KFDX is brought to you by Guaranteed Title and The Bike Stop.
Thousands are preparing for the in-person return of the Hotter in Hell 100 this weekend.
But of course, with that return brings risks as COVID-19 cases continue to rise. Some are nervous to see how the ride is going to impact our numbers here locally.
Yeah, Markeisha Jackson spoke with Hotter in Hell and also health officials. And Markeisha, what precautions are they urging riders to take as they come into town for the Hotter in Hell 100 on Saturday?
Darrell, ride officials are serious about safety, asking everyone to wear a mask when inside and in close quarters.
This weekend, thousands from around the nation will roll into Wichita Falls for the 40th annual Hotter in Hell 100, but some are concerned about hosting an event of this size in the midst of rising COVID-19 cases.
We had a lot of discussions in the executive committee about the safety of holding the event. And since most of what we do is outside, and we've got a ridership that we feel is really a safe group of people. We expect that the majority of the folks are probably vaccinated and have been very careful leading up to Hotter in Hell.
But despite the potential number of vaccinated riders, Public Health District Director Lou Kreidler says she is still worried.
I'm extremely concerned about what bringing in over 6,000 riders, all of those individuals and the people that come with them into our community.
While much of the event is outdoors, there are still indoor events like the packet pickup, spaghetti dinner, and trade show that could become a COVID hotspot.
The entire event is high risk. What's outside or when you're outside is less of a risk than when you're inside.
With more than 8,000 riders already registered, it's expected to be one of the largest rides yet, but Chip Filer says some riders aren't taking the chance this year.
We've experienced a number of folks that have called us and said they're not coming, that they're going to defer to 2022.
A decision Kreidler says is the right call to make if you aren't feeling well.
If you're symptomatic, please don't come to the Hotter Than Hell, even if you've already paid for the event. Think about yourself and all those people you're going to be in contact with.
Kreidler and Filer want to remind the community to enjoy the event, but do it in a safe way.
We always say that the Hotter in Hell 100 really belongs to the community.
We just need to be cognizant that we're in the middle of a spike of numbers. Our hospital beds are full, our ICU is full. And so, hospitals across the state are full.
A historic ride, these health and Hotter in Hell officials hope goes off without a hitch.
Directors say there will be sanitation stations and masks at rest stops, and there won't be any cross-handling of water bottles this year.
All right, Markeisha, I'm sure people will follow those safety precautions
I hope so.
and have a wonderful event.
But can you imagine trying to ride the Hotter in Hell if you're showing symptoms?
Oh, yeah, that too.
That would be the worst thing ever, so just stay home.
Yeah.